Hello everyone, today we're gonna go through a question of product of array except self. So given an integer, given an integer of 1, 2, 3, 4, you will multiply everything except itself. So at the 0 index, we multiply 2, 3, 4 will be 24. Index 1 is 2. 1 multiply 3 multiplied 4 will be 12, and then the 1 multiply 2 multiply 4 will be 8, and the last one 1 2 3 will be 6. So how do we achieve that? We can using prefix and postfix. So at the prefix 1, we do have prefix will be just 1. 2 is still 1. At 3 will be 1 multiplied 2 will be just 2. And then at 4, 1 multiplied 2 multiplied 3 will be 6. So that is a prefix, and now we have a postfix. Right now we have to do a reverse way. If we have 4, then our prefix has to be out will be just 1 because nothing is behind number 4. And at the index of 3, the prefix will be just 4. And 2 will be 3 multiplied 4 will be 12. And the last but not least, the last prefix, everything else multiplied together is 24. So this is how we have a postfix, but then we also have to reverse it. Before making calculation is we have 24, 12, 4, 1. So now we multiply the prefix to the postfix. We will have our answer is 24, 12, 8, 6. But this way is making a lot of O of n because you have to iterate twice, prefix and postfix, so it's pretty time consuming. But because of one of the question that's given is you must write algorithm running in O of n time. But also, I should challenge a little bit. Can you solve the problem is O of 1 extra space complexity? Is the output does not count any extra space. So the only way to do it is we're gonna have a big output. Gonna just rewrite the question again. Right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we want to do is we still use prefix and postfix, but we don't store in an array, but right away we store at the output. So for the prefix, we store it, we iterate from index 0 until the end. So it is 1, same. For 2 will be just 1. What is 3? Is 2, and then the 4 is 6. This is how we store the prefix. And now then we wanna store the postfix. Wanna store the postfix. So first of all, we already have now we have postfix is 1. Then we'll be just keeping 6 because 6 times 1 is 1. Then moving to the next postfix. If we are moving to the 3, the postfix will be 4. So 4 times 2 will be 8. We change it to 8. And what is the next postfix when we go at 3 will be 12. 12 times 1 will be 12. So after we have, now we move to the last index. What is the postfix of this one? Is 12 times 2 will be 24. So our postfix now become 24. So at this way, we don't use any extra space memory because we only use O of 1. So it's a little bit hard to understand, but now we move to the code itself, easier. Gonna do n equal to length of num. Now we initialize our output first. Because we have length, so our output with everything will be 1. Multiply the numbers here. We're gonna calculate prefix. The prefix will be 1 initially, and we're gonna iterate through every numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. For I in range, the range is length of number, so we're gonna just put a length range, and then we're gonna store all of the output by multiply the prefix. Don't forget the equal sign. Prefix, and then the prefix will change accordingly to the I. So the prefix has been completed. Now we move to calculate the postfix. We initialize the postfix also equal to 1, and then for I in range, because we need to do a reverse way, right? We have to go to n minus 1, do it a reverse way, so minus 1 instead. And from there, we're gonna make changes in the output directly. Postfix. And then the postfix will multiply the numbers also. I think I get it wrong right here. So now we will be able to return output. Let's submit. With 28% of the user. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video.